Hi guys, it's Danica and
Leanne, her cousin.
Yeah, for today's video, it's gonna be a vlog for Thanksgiving, and right now we are prepping and
Some peppers.
we have some peppers. We're gonna be making japchae and pumpkin pie and other sides, so stay tuned. You do it like that, right? Yeah, that looks good. Right now, I'm going to put the pumpkin with the dry mixture for the pie. So yeah. It looks like this. So I kind of messed up on the pie, but I was supposed to make one, but I made two on accident. She's kind of mad.
No, I'm not.
They don't see what's off camera, but okay. Now she's gonna cut some carrots. Sorry, I'm narrating. Oh, that's a sad sign. Peeling them carrots. Oh! Leon cut up the vegetables for the japchae, and now she's just making the sauce, and I just finished mixing the pumpkin pie, so now I'm gonna pour it into the pie crust. Aesthetic. It smells so good.
Really? You can smell it?
Now we are going to put the batter into the pie crust. I'm scared of Leon. Just do it. Are you making egg for the japchae?
Yes, for the japchae.
Cool.
Yeah, like that for now.
Looks yummy.
And we're gonna wait until it's ready to flip. And then we'll let it cool.
Okay. I finished filling the pies. We were supposed to make two because I accidentally made two batters, but it was enough to make 3 pies, so maybe we'll give it to one of my neighbors. Who knows? Lunch break.
Do you know that song?
I forgot. Banana.
Dun, 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 dun.
We got the japchae ingredients cooked and Dana's tofu. So Leon, she did most of the food. Well, because she's the chef here, and I just been sitting down because my stomach hurts, but this is what we made so far. The pies are officially done. They're just cooling off for a little bit, and Leon's making the mashed potatoes. What?
He's not gonna know.
No consent? I'm not gonna put your face.
Blur his face.
Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Maybe we should have done that the whole time.
And then just go.
The sweet potato casserole. Me and Leon finished, so now I'm about to go home and get ready, and I'll bring some of the dishes with me. So I just finished my makeup, and kind of a golden bronzy look, kind of summer, but I really didn't want to do super glam, but yeah, it's just kind of natural, and I straightened my hair but like curled it in a way in the ends. I put on this white blouse, so now I'm gonna go downstairs and meet with my family members. Also, my cousin from Massachusetts came here, so we're wearing our masks to be safe, and yeah. I had a really fun Thanksgiving dinner with my family. Be safe during the holiday season. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Like, comment, and subscribe, and bye!